What's up, everybody? My name is Jason, and welcome to your Small Biz Report. The $6 billion SBA Grant Bill likely passes, and one stock triples. Please do me a huge favor, give this video a thumbs up, hashtag whatever you want in the comments below, and don't forget, you can join us over at trysmallbiz.com, whether you have a small business or a side hustle selling barbecue sauce off your back porch. Go to trysmallbiz.com. That's trysmallbiz.com, where you can advertise your company for free, or for just $1 a day, you can hire this guy with a funny looking shirt. And I will promote your ass all over the website and to more than 100,000 people on social media. That's trysmallbiz.com. Make sure you get signed up today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a very educational and highly informative video in the second half for those of you that want to make money in the stock market, or dare I say make more money, because some of you almost tripled your money. What? Hey, Helen, this guy's tripling people's money in the worst market since 1932. Fact. So pull up a chair, grab a cup of coffee, ice cold beer, glass of wine, whiskey on a big rock. Dunkin' Donuts for me. Here we go. All right, let me reiterate once again what I said in the last video. $6 billion is likely to pass the Senate. They got 52 votes the last time when the RRF bill got voted down. So if you didn't watch the last video, go do so. Big Ben Cardin, among others, is proposing that $6 billion of a $50-ish billion bill that got voted down be given to the SBA, where Ms. Guzman has full discretion. Outside of, it must be for independent contractors and sole proprietors in virtually any industry that she deems necessary. And as I said on Twitter, and I once again called today, in fact, I even reached out to Patrick Kelly, who does not like to answer the phone or return an email, and say, hey, if it was up to me, if you really want to boost your morale, if you really want to gain good grace with the small business community, Patrick, Isabel, and company, Chucky Schumer, of course, Ben Cardin, give 600,000 middle-income communities the $10,000 they were promised in the CARES Act. That'll eat up $6 billion. And I actually do believe that the Rand Pauls, I know I can hardly believe it's coming out of my mouth, the rhinos like Mitt Romney, etc., all we need is 8 more votes. 52 said yes to $50 billion. We only need 8 more to say yes to $6 billion. So I will keep you well informed. I haven't seen much of this story outside of this channel. So what the heck is going on out there, fellas? But I will keep you well informed. I need, before we get into stocks and how you can get effing rich following my advice by text really soon, I need more products. Did you see what I promoted today? I love these guys. I can't wait to do a product review on YouTube starting in July. So if you have a product, it could be a boat, it could be tools, it could be drinks, it could be cookies, it could be t-shirts. I know some of you want to send me t-shirts. Whatever it is, you're going to be able to send it to our UPS store, but I need you to load it in the product section. So we have 216 premium members. God bless each and every one. Without you, this is not possible. We need 216 more. I need people that are willing to load their products so I can do a review. I may set up another channel that'll get thousands and thousands of views, and they'll be able to see your products for the rest of my life and yours. So if you want to be like the Drink Inc. USA Lemon Drop Cocktail Bomb, doesn't that sound good? Did you see the photo I put all over social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook at Try Small Biz? I mean, I want one right now. I want one right now. I know they want to send me some, but it's $20 per box, which is going to make 6 drinks. And that's $3.33 for you out there that are looking for third grade math like myself. The Drink Inc. Lemon Drop Cocktail Bomb packs a zesty punch, but in such a refreshing way. I'm all fired up. I want to talk about making money, but I got to promote these guys. I'm actually going to put their link and pin in the top comment. Won't be the first time, ladies. The Shimmering Glitter Infused Cocktail Bomb is a delicious classic drink that you got to get yourself. You got to get some of this stuff. So, folks, please load your damn products on your profile, $1 a day. I'll do things like this, and it won't be the first time I promote these guys, because I'm actually going to taste one on camera. And those links, which may come with a coupon code, etc., will live for infamy, for an eternity on social media. So $1 a day. Please hit the red upgrade to premium button. You'll be glad you did. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you do not give a shit about getting rich or making money in the stock market, you can go. I want to dedicate the next 5 minutes to explain what the hell happened with EVFM. Why did I just buy 2 more stocks, and are 1 or 2 of them about to do the same? So pull up a chair if you haven't already and allow me to take a drink of my coffee. Helen, is he on something? Haven't done drugs in 16 years, other than about a year and a half ago. Ashamed of that, actually. Ashamed of that. Cold turkeyed on 2006, was it, or 7, Ma? They're both in heaven, but I quit. There's a story behind that I'll tell another day, but I'm just high on life and Dunkin' Donuts coffee. You gotta be somewhat polarizing to sell this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't agree with everything I say, good. Because if you're not a bit different, if you can't create some chaos and controversy on social media, and including in videos like this, I can't sell your products. So, what happened to EVFM? Let me explain 3 things, if you're still with me, that I look for before I buy anything. The RSI, the relative strength, the MACD, and the stochastics. And if they're not flat on their back, massively oversold like EVFM was last week at 28 cents. Can you believe that? Where is it now? 91 cents. It hit $1.09, I think. Yeah, I got out too early, and so did some of you. But we still made money. We had a gentleman, God bless him for sharing his tweet, that he made a little over $4,000. And to some of us, that might not be a whole lot of money, but for him, it was life-changing money. So, pal, it's an honor that you're following me, and I'm glad that I was able to help you and your family get to a better place in life. But ladies and gentlemen, 3 things have to happen. RSI, MACD, stochastics, I keep it simple, have got to be flat on their back at 20 or less, preferably, on all the above. I also have a formula, 1 down, 3 up. In other words, 10% down is my risk, or I'm not getting involved. 30% minimum on the upside. So I bought 2 other stocks, MMAT, you can see this on Twitter, which is a minerals and composite company, and AGRX, Alan, Gary, Robert, X-Ray. Both of them I paid $1.16. Don't ask me why they're the same price. It just so happens to be. I love the 1 down and 3 up ratio in both of them. But if you take a look at their charts, flat on their back, down 95 to 98% from their 52-week high. Both of them are either in the midst of a secondary offering or about to, and that's exactly what happened with EVFM. Quickly, allow me to explain how we made money on this and other trades. EVFM about a month ago did a reverse split, which means you went for every 1 share you got, for every 15 shares, you reverse back to 1. So they shrunk. What? 1? Sounds like he's on puberty. Helen, come here. Can you hear that? For every 15 shares, you now had 1. So they reversed it from pennies on the dollar to $1.06. It's at that point I can guarantee you that the investment bankers started going short. And then they made a phone call to EVFM and the CEO, who's not very well liked, by the way. She's rather gorgeous, but she's not very well liked until this afternoon, of course. And they said, hey, could you use $26.2 million? Well, yeah, absolutely. Where are you going to price it at? Well, we're going to price it at 75 cents, 25% below market. But here's the good news. The public's going to get pissed off. The retail stockholders are going to sell like crazy because they have no idea what the hell they're doing. They're going to drive it all the way down to 27.5 cents. There will be this crazy motherfucker who starts buying it at 35, 36, and he hangs in there and he tells thousands of people to do the same. But that's when we're supposed to be in there with the insiders, like the CEO who bought a chunk of stock at 35 cents. And then when we're all done sucking up all that stock for pennies on the dollar, something called Roe v. Wade's going to come out. And Jason had it in his head, if the courts actually go 6-3 and contraception becomes paramount in the United States of America, that's going to send stocks like EVFM and hopefully AGRX at some point in the next few months to the moon. And that's exactly what happened. So we bought the rumor, and I took a lot of shit. There's some people watching me, oh, I'm down 20% on that stock. Okay, well, where are you today? They don't want to tell me. Actually, they love to tell me, I got it at $1. I got it at 91. I sold it at $1.10. You sold yours at 45 cents. Look, we made money. I'm up 703%. Are you? I know some of you are up close because you're actually listening to what I have to say. So, simply put one more time, this is important to know what goes on in this head, and then I'll let you go. I love to buy stocks that have been decimated. When the RSI, the MACD, and the stochastics are dead on flat on their back at 20 or less. I like to buy them when they pull back into support or after the initial breakout. You'll rarely, if ever, see me buy something at new highs because we're not in a new highs market. We're in a bear market rally at a minimum or the beginning of a bull, and it's very, very early for that. Rallies disappear, as you've seen many, many times, like you big apes. Don't get me started with those fools. You got to be in a make it, take it. Tell me about it. You got to be in a make it, take it mindset. So I got out a little early, and for some strange reason, everyone goes home this weekend and says, you know, Alan, 37 cents, 45 cents, up 50 cents from where it was just a few days ago is not enough. And they decided to trade 510 million shares today, the most it's ever going to trade. And no, I don't know where it's going to go. It's got major support now at the offering price of 75 cents, but it could easily go for $1, $1.50 too. Welcome to small cap stocks. That's why we're up 703%. So in closing, I hope you got a little bit of an idea that the game is rigged, that they always do the offerings below market. They count on you getting pissed off and negged out so they can buy it all up with the help of the insiders. And then whoops, something like Roe v. Wade or some other story comes along and they always get the money back. In that case, 26.2 million at 75 cents. And in this case, with MMAT, there was $50 million between 135 and 175 on the warrant. So buying it down 97% at $1.16 makes a lot of sense. So until next time, always remember I love you. And please, $1 a day, hit that red upgrade to premium button. And thank you so much for watching.